Hello everyone, myself Satish Kalra welcomes all of you in my channel Ultimate Science by Satish Kalra, and today we are doing chapter number 1, the solid state of class plus 2, and in my today's video I will cover the topic formula finding on the basis of occupancy of voids. Okay, whenever the constituent particles will occupy the voids, then what will be the formula of any given compound? So let's start our topic. Formula finding on the basis of occupancy of voids by constituent particles or ions. So let's assume let number of constituent particles it is equal to n. Assume that the number of constituent particles is equal to n. Then we know in a cubic closed packing in 3 dimensions, we have studied about 2 types of voids in my previous video. So total number of octahedral voids available. So in that structure or in that compound, the total number of octahedral voids available, it is equal to number of constituent particles. So जितने हमारे पास constituent particles हैं, total number of octahedral voids कितने होंगे? It is equal to number of constant particles, so they will also be equal to n. And total number of tetrahedral voids available, it is 2 times the number of octahedral voids, or it can be also called 2 times the number of constant particles, so it will be equal to 2n. So first of all, if number of constant particles is equal to n, then in that structure total number of octahedral voids available, it will be equal to number of constant particles, so they will also be equal to n. And total number of tetrahedral voids available, it is 2 times the number of octahedral void or 2 times the number of constant particles, so they will be equal to 2n. So this is in a covalent compound. For example, find out formula of a compound in which A atoms occupy CCD cubic closed packing and B atoms occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral bonds. अब यहां एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि जिस एलिमेंट के एटम्स हैं, इफ दे आर ऑक्युपाइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ पैकिंग, क्यूबिक क्लोज पैकिंग, हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग, कुछ भी है, देन दैट एटम्स विल बी ट्रीटेड एज कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल. तो हम उन्हें कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल अज्यूम करेंगे. सो आप देख रहे हैं इन दिस केस ए एटम्स ऑक्युपाई क्यूबिक क्लोज पैकिंग, इट मींस ए एलिमेंट के एटम को हम क्या मानेंगे? कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल. सो लेट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ ए एलिमेंट that equal to n, total number of octahedral voids available, that will be also equal to n, and total number of tetrahedral voids available, that is equal to 2 times, that is 2n. It means in that compound octahedral voids are total n and tetrahedral voids are 2n. Now in the statement B atoms occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral voids, यानी कि B एलिमेंट्स के एटम कहां जा रहे हैं? जितने tetrahedral voids है उसका 2/3 ऑक्युपाई किया है. So number of atoms of B element occupying tetrahedral voids is equal to how much? It is 2/3 of the total tetrahedral and total tetrahedral void is 2n. So it equal to 4n by 3. Now you see that this compound contains the atoms of two elements, capital A and capital B, or we are having atoms of A element, atoms of B element. For finding the formula, we will take the ratio of number of atoms of A element and number of atoms of B element. अब इनके atoms की रेशियो ली जाएगी. Now number of atoms of A element ratio, number of atoms of B element, n ratio 4n by 3. सोल्व करेंगे 3n रेशियो 4n कैंसिल करेंगे, नीचे छोड़ देंगे, नीचे 3 छोड़ दिया जाएगा, 3n रेशियो 4n, n से n कैंसिल, सो रेशियो क्या आएगा 3 रेशियो 4. And formula is first element is A, total number of atoms 3. Second element is B, total atoms 4. So this is A3B4. यहां से 3 आया, A से 4, A3B4. So this is the formula of compound. Now in case of ionic compounds, we know ions are of two types. One is cations, second is anions. And anions are bigger in size and cations are smaller in size. So cations will generally occupy the voids. In maximum cases, it will occupy the voids, whether tetrahedral, whether octahedral. And anions, due to their bigger size, they generally occupy any kind of packing. So in case of ionic compound, anions generally occupy any kind of packing, whether cubic closed packing, hexagon closed packing. So they will be considered as constant particle. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? In case of ionic compounds, anions will be considered as constant particles. So let हमने क्या लिया था? Let number of constant particles. तो यहां क्या लेंगे? Let number of anions is equal to n. Then total number of octahedral voids available, that will be equal to number of anions. So that will also be equal to n. And total number of tetrahedral voids available, it is 2 times the number of octahedral voids, so it is equal to 2n. So in case of ionic compound, anions को हमने constant particle मानना है. Let number of anions n, total number of octahedral voids available n, and total number of tetrahedral voids available क्या होंगे? It is 2 times of n, 2n. Now one example of formula finding of ionic compound. Our question is, in a solid, oxide ions occupy cubic closed packing and the cations A occupy 1/6 of the octahedral voids and cations B occupy 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids. Find out formula of that sort. So in the statement, it is clear that oxide ions occupy cubic closed packing, and we know oxide ions are anions, and anions are treated as constant particles. So in this case, let number of oxide ion is O minus 2 ions, is equal to n. Total number of octahedral voids available, it is equal to number of anions, so it is also equal to n. And total number of tetrahedral voids available, It is 2 times the number of octahedral voids, 2n. Now you see that the cations A occupy 1/6 of the octahedral void and cations B occupy 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids. So here we will find out the number of cations A occupying octahedral voids and number of cations B occupying tetrahedral voids. So number of cations A occupying octahedral voids, they are 1/6 of the octahedral voids. It means 1/6 into total octahedral voids. Here total octahedral voids are n, so 1/6 into n, that is n/6. And number of cations B occupying tetrahedral voids, they are 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids, and tetrahedral voids are 2n, so 1/6 into 2n, this is n/3. So in this case we are having number of oxide ions, number of cations A, number of anions B. न्यूट्रल कंपाउंड के केस में हमें एटम्स की रेशियो, एंड इन द केस ऑफ फाइनल कंपाउंड कैटायंस एंड अनायंस हमें उनकी रेशियो लेनी है. सो नंबर ऑफ कैटायंस A रेशियो, नंबर ऑफ कैटायंस B रेशियो, नंबर ऑफ ऑक्साइड आयन. सो cations A are n/6, cations B are n/3, and they are n LCM 6. This is n ratio 2n ratio 6n. इसे ड्रॉप कर देंगे तो n ratio 2n ratio 6n, n cancel. This is 1 ratio 2 ratio 6. So the formula is, first cation is A, नीचे क्या आएगा 1, A1. सेकेंड इज B, नीचे क्या आएगा 2, सबस्क्रिप्ट में 2, B2. और बाद में क्या है O, चार्ज नहीं लिखना है O, और ये है 6. तो A1 B2 O6. दिस इज द फार्मूला ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड. So this is all about formula finding on the basis of occupancy of voids by constant particles or by ions. Hope you learned a lot from my video. If you like my video, then you can share my video and you can subscribe my channel Ultimate Science by Satish Kalra. Thanks a lot.